Hey guys, it's time for the next episode in the Arrowverse. It is Arrow Season 4, Episode 19. What happened last time? They killed Laurel fucking Black Canary Lance. I'm not happy about this. Let's just jump into this one. I think this has Canary Cry or something like that. It's named after her. That's all I know. Tommy's funeral.
She gets you out of here.
He has lost his daughter way too many times.
You're that baby
First
girl
Sarah,
for me.
then Sarah leaves. Now Laurel.
Didn't expect to see you standing there.
All right, John, as the world's leading expert in blaming yourself, please don't do it.
You warned me, Oliver. Straight up, you warned me. If I listened to you instead of trusting my brother, Laura will be alive right now.
Don't feel bad, Andy. But no offense. Just listen to Oliver next time.
I'm very sorry to announce the death of Assistant District Attorney Laurel Lance.
15 large and they're all yours. How about it?
The hell? What?
Yeah, but, I mean, everyone thought Oliver was dead when the gambit went down. Everybody thought Ray Palmer was dead, your brother.
Captain, I know, but this is different.
John's right. This
That
bag
girl at the
from
hospital.
was supposed to contain all of Laurel's belongings.
Doctors, nurses, orderlies.
Wait, you think someone took
That
it?
girl that passed him in the hallway. I thought there was something off about her.
I had a chance to make this city better. And I couldn't. And now Tommy's dead.
You can't blame yourself.
You'd blame me too if you knew the truth.
What truth?
How's Oliver? Laurel's.
Oliver warned me, but I pretty much told him to go to hell. Laurel's dead because of me.
I don't know what happened. I wasn't there. I don't know what to say.
There's nothing to say.
Thank you for everything at the hospital.
Alex Davis.
What the fuck?
You didn't care about any of us.
What are you talking about?
You left us. You left us at Reddington. You left us there to die. You failed this city.
Who the fuck are you?
She brought me comfort during a difficult time period. The world will be a darker place without her.
Yeah, well, not for long. Okay, I got all the things. What else do I need?
I'm
Oh.
afraid I don't understand.
What else do I have to bring for when she comes out of this, Lazarus pit thing?
I would do
Oh.
anything for your daughter. But I destroyed the pit months ago.
Okay, well, there's gotta be, something else.
I am so very sorry.
Oh.
So you don't wanna help me? Fine. I'll find some other way to bring him back.
Dude. Vanessa.
I mean, what happens below ground is simply not their concern.
Oh shit.
Get away from her, John.
Stay out of my way!
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Gonna find Andy by attacking the mayor of the city? By going after Damien Dark's wife! It doesn't matter if she's Dark's wife. She is the mayor. She has the media. She has the police.
I'm so angry I can hardly breathe. Every minute he's out there is another minute he can hurt someone I love.
When one of this city's beloved civil servants, Laurel Lance, was fatally injured. Well, tonight I say no more. Tonight I asked District Attorney Wallace to issue arrest warrants for these so-called vigilantes, beginning with Mr. Davis' attacker, the Black Canary. We will dedicate the arrest and prosecution of this so-called Black Canary.
Good job, John.
ADA Laurel Lance.
Oh, it's been a week. I feel like Tommy would be pissed at me if I didn't eventually come out of my self-pity.
Yeah.
I thought you left for 6 months.
Don't understand.
Right when we lost Sarah, when I became a drunk, when no one else believed in me, she did. She's always been there. She's my rock. She was my rock. I can't do this. Oh, God. Oh, no. I can't do this. Oh, God.
John.
You got something?
Yeah, an apology. I never should let you. And Laurel would have wanted you to know that.
What's that?
Found her.
Evelyn Sharp, facial recognition, picked her up outside of Star City Plaza Hotel.
Arrest him!
Seen this movie before.
So wait, they let her escape, but went after him?
Listen, Evelyn.
Mr. Queen has requested to say a few words.
He's actually there. This is like the one funeral he's ever gone to.
By now, everyone knows that Laurel was killed in the Iron Heights prison riot.
Tell him the truth.
And while it's true, that's not what she was doing there that night. Before she died, Laurel told me the truth. Laurel Lance was the Black Canary. And for the past few days, I have had to sit and listen to people try and paint the Black Canary as a criminal. She was not a criminal. She was a hero. She was a hero in every way that a person can be. And if Laurel were here, I know that she would expect all of us to live up to the example that she set. She'd want us to save our city.
This one we just appeared for 6 months. And when she got
Dear
the
Laurel,
picture.
you've always seen the best in me because you've always been the best of me. All my love, Oliver.
The grave.
You know what you have to do, right? You have to kill this son of a bitch.
I honestly feel like this scene doesn't actually fit in very well.
I don't know how.
Yeah, I feel like that scene didn't really fit in all that well with just like where it was. Sorry. Like, I knew that scene was gonna happen at some point, but just the way that it was just added in, it didn't quite feel, it didn't flow very well. I think that's all the episodes that I can watch today. Tomorrow I will be watching Flash. And you know, you guys aren't going to see these until I'm done because I'm binge watching. Although I might get some of them up, depends. I don't really know. Anyway, until next time, see you later, and don't forget to like and subscribe.